viewers, how you doing? Mr.J01 here. So I just got a package. I took the sticker off, and turns out I'm expecting what I hope I'm expecting, so let's go ahead and open this. Please excuse that, that's just, it's really early in the morning for me, so gotta do this fast. Let's go ahead and these, and I got these, and yeah, this is a lot bigger than I ever thought. Check this out. This is quality. These aren't quality, but these are. I just bought these because why not? So let's go ahead and go into some domino testing. Wow, that was really clean. Oh my gosh.